Good morning, outdoor artist. This is not a garage sale, although you see a lot of tools laying around, parts and equipment and so forth. But it represents a bit of a breakthrough in the project here. And I wanted to show you what I did and also document what I did so that in the future, if I have to do it again, and I hope I don't, I've got some actual measurements. You'll see, as I mentioned in a previous video, that I brought the downspout drain on a diagonal across and intersected with the drain that was existing in the ground. And here is the perforated drain. You can see that's covered by a cloth, and this is the solid drain that I tied into for the downspout, so that'll go down and then into the drain that goes into the woods. Now the reason the tape is here is, first of all, I wanted to point out that the location of this intersection, if you will, is pretty much center of that Bilko door, and it's also, I believe the number is 100. Yes, it is about 100 inches or so from the edge of the patio. So if I ever have to do this again, center of the Bilko door, 100 inches out, boom, center mass. So that's good to know. Now along the way, you'll learn a lot about these different pipes and so forth. This particular pipe I replaced. This one has a black interior, which makes it kind of flexible. So I've replaced that with a solid PVC pipe because I want it rigid as it makes its descent into this, and this will then tie in here, taking it into the ground and on its merry way. So with rain in the forecast, I think in 2 or 3 days, I decided I better step in and finish this part up, get it buttoned up so that that rain can be taken away effectively. A couple other points I'll mention while I'm here. The new PVC pipe that I've got on the painting rack here, and we're going to paint this gray. And if you ever decide to paint plastic, you need to get yourself some, well, we're using Rust-Oleum, but make sure it says it's okay for plastic, as this does. Just regular paint doesn't stick to, plastic very well. So that'll be something we do today, just as an aside. I also want to mention that my wife has done a great job setting up. We've expanded our beds, cleaned them all out. This was lilies, which the deer insisted on ravaging. So we decided to go a different route. We expanded that bed out from the house, probably a foot or more. Then we put down this ground cloth to keep the weeds down. And then we're covering it with number 2 stones. And when we get a shrub or a plant we want to plant, we just scrape away the stones, slice open the fabric, plant the plant, put the fabric back, and put the stones back, and voila, you're back in business. And it's pretty well proven to us, or for us, to be a maintenance-free option. We obviously we're going to do a border here of some stones also, just to, not number 2s, but bigger stones along the edge, just to clean that up and make it look a little nice. But that's great progress she's got going there. And hopefully when I give you the next update, things will be pretty well buttoned up around here. I don't want to bore you with too many updates, but did want to keep you apprised of the progress along the way. So for now, this is the Outdoor Artist, and I'm signing off.